Alright, I'm very happy today because I have ordered this new wallet for a long time and I finally got it. This is a Mascon Leather from Artie Shell. I think this wallet is called the Tennyson Wallet. I waited over 24 weeks after I ordered it, and I got it last night, so I decided to maybe perhaps make a video about unboxing for this one. I never opened it yet, as you can see. And I'm really happy about the packaging because I got the like a keychain, leather keychain attachment here with some name card and handcrafted by Artie Shell, and also a little tag right here. It's a let me see what it say. It's a wallet, tall Tennyson, Horween Leather, Horween Dublin, and the stitching is in cream color. Okay, so this is it. Waited 24 weeks, and I hope it's worth it. Right. Let me go ahead and open it. All right, put this aside. Put this on this side here. All right. Okay. Just make sure you don't cut into the wallet itself. Okay. Okay. First thing I always wanted to is to smell it and see if I can smell really good better here. Oh wow, yep, definitely smell good. All right, here it is. Let me see if I can zoom in. This is the light brown color. They have another darker brown color, but honestly, I like the oh, almost killed my tripod here. But I definitely like the light brown color a little bit more. You can see. The other side. With a logo here. I suppose the credit card goes here, vertically and horizontally. And the paper bill and maybe some receipt and notes can go on the side. This is a long wallet. It's my first time having a long wallet, so I definitely looking forward to try it out. Okay, I'm sure it will age really well over time because after all, it's Horween Leather. Oh, I keep kicking my tripod. Hopefully I don't kill it. All right. Okay, so I'll be using it maybe for a month, and then come back and maybe give a review how it looks and how it goes over time. But this is the wallet. Okay, got a card here. One more card from Artie. Yeah, definitely smell good. Definitely look and very chunky leather. It's not flimsy at all. And I can tell it's very similar to my other Horween Leather product. Yeah, very well made. Okay. And I got a little pouch here from Mascon Leather. So here's the thing. The reason I keep buying handmade leather wallet because I feel like over time this wallet will only age better, looks better, and it will be a part of my treasure to my kids. So I really want to collect this stuff when I still have the money and have the time, so that as I go older, my kid can inherit all this stuff and it will look nicer over time. and they can have a part of what I love. So that's the reason. All right, feel free to check it out. I'll post a link to this wallet. Unfortunately, I think right now the wait time, if you order it from Artie, it's going to take about 34, 36 weeks. So it's going to take over half a year. But I think it's definitely worth it. As a matter of fact, I'll be talking to him and see if he can make me something else. Since the wait time is so long, I may as well have to make up my mind what to get next. Okay, so here's the Tennyson Wallet in light brown. I'll post a link and I will give you guys an update how it goes 1 month later or maybe 3 months later. Depends on the usage and how much wear and tear I can put into this. Okay, any question, post me any question in YouTube, and I will give you a link and the pricing for it. So check it out. All right, hope you enjoy it.